kita dari Seru Motor Group akan mengadakan family gathering ke Yogyakarta. Mau tahu keseruan kita 2 hari ke depan? Ikutin terus ya. Ya.
Might be over my troubles. Yeah, they've been there for so long now. Cause suddenly I think of tomorrow. Yeah, since you came around. I feel like the only one who found out the reason why. Just lonely, but since you came around, all I see is tomorrow. When you hear me calling, oh, it's you.
Kata-katanya apa ini?
Kata-kata hari ini, lali jalan-jalan dulu.
Oke, semuanya bergabung rekan-rekan dari Solo Motor Group karena kita akan persiapan untuk kanoe. Jadi dipastikan dilarang melewati tanda bendera merah karena itu adalah wilayah berbahaya.
Be over my troubles. They've been there for so long now. It's over. Suddenly I think of tomorrow. Yeah, since you came around. Yeah. I feel like the only one who found out the reason why. Just lonely, but since you came around, all I see is tomorrow. Like a moving tide. Yeah. I pack my things and start running, 'cause I can face it all.
Untuk seluruh warga besar dari Solo Motor Group di acara pada kesempatan malam hari ini, dan tentunya sebelum memasuki acara yang luar biasa hari ini, setelah melalui serangkaian kegiatan yang sangat panjang dan menyenangkan loh. Bunga melati. Solo Motor selalu di hati.
It is you that I will follow, 'cause it is our time, yeah. And I won't wait till tomorrow. Yeah, yeah.
baik saja. Tepuk tangan, hentak kaki, putar badan cari kawan satu lagi.
Oh, it's a moody sight, but your eyes make me forget it. Oh, 'cause they lighten up the sky. 'Cause when you're by my side, I feel stronger. No need to run, no need to hide, 'cause I made up my mind.